I've been asked to make a trophy for an upcoming car show, so I picked up this old rusty Conrod and piston at my local junkyard. Man, I love that place. I can easily spend a lot of money there. Anyway, so I'm just going to start by cleaning this up some with the wire brush. Okay, looking a little bit better. I think I'm actually going to polish this face. To 20 grit, 400 grit, and now I'm at 1200 grit by hand because the finest paper I had for the random orbital sander was 400. And now I go onto the buffing wheel. There you go. I reckon that's good enough. Freaking hell, I mean, I'm a rat rod builder. What do we know about shiny stuff? So that's what I have now. Excuse me. I've just clamped it here in a vice grip to make it stand upright. The plan is to mount this on a nice piece of wood. And I've been toying with the idea of maybe adding these two spark plugs here. But if I want to do that, I need to find a way to attach them. Wait, I've got a plan. There you go. Now the winner will have a couple of spark plugs for emergency use. just gotta clean up my base a little bit more and give it a nice coat of oil to bring out the color in the wood. I opted for a very simple round base, nothing complex. I think there's enough going on up here. Let me get some oil on it. A bit of final sanding and just getting off my marks with 220 paper. And then I'm just going to use boiled linseed oil that's been thinned a little bit with mineral terps, turpentine, mineral spirits, whatever you want to call it. It's the same mix I use on my rat rods to preserve the patina, so it's quite a versatile finish. This is a piece of African mahogany, just a offcut I had lying around. And there we have it. That oil has really brought out the color of the wood very nicely. So I've still got to sort out the engraving. There are two options here. We can either put it down here or on the face of the piston. Let me know what you think. Which option would you prefer? I'd appreciate your input. Let me know in the comments. Down here or up here. So with a little bit of luck, you'll be able to see this trophy being presented at our upcoming car show. We hope it all works out. Keep something in mind. If you can not win a trophy, now you know a way to make your own. Thanks for watching, Oaks. Appreciate it. I'll catch you next time. Have a good one.